So you may have seen our prior bio hair laser instructional, but I just wanted to make sure you really understand this. It is so amazing to me. It really is fascinating. So the whole idea about the laser is that it increases, you remember from high school biology, that ATP production. So guess what? This laser energy from the hair, it penetrates deeper into the scalp, connects to the hair follicle, and in the root, the bulb, the whole shaft, it goes from a state of resting, it stimulates it. It's like, if you can see here, this DHT is that dreaded hormone that attaches to the hair follicles. The DHT attaches to the hair follicles, chokes it off until it can no longer grow thick, doesn't grow long, they miniaturize. So these are cold lasers, meaning the patient can't feel it, but it penetrates, it reaches the hair follicles, the follicle absorbs the laser energy, it stimulates the cells through a process called photo-biomodulation. And those cells with the laser energy, they increase the ATP production. So look at this, the follicle is like fire, fire, fire. It stimulates the energy. It creates a whole, for those follicular cells that are in rest, it causes it to grow. For those that are in dying, decaying, senescence, it freaking pushes it over the edge and sloughs it off and moves it out and prunes the follicles, okay? Gets rid of the old, it cleans out, cleans house. So the laser, what it does, it removes harmful DHT. The laser just cleans house, removes the DHT, allows the follicle to heal. It also increases blood circulation to the follicle, oxygen, decreases inflammation, creating a healthy environment. So that's why it can go through the normal natural cycle. You're stimulating homeostasis in the hair follicle. You're increasing blood supply. You're stimulating the ATP, that energy coins. You're giving yourself more energy to the hair. And you're also creating a much more welcoming environment for our peptides and for these others. So the base of a hair follicle is protein. What is a protein? A chain of amino acids. Would it make sense that peptides influence these hair proteins? Peptides are just shorter chains of amino acids. They're not quite the length of a protein, but they're signaling cell mediators, messaging cell mediators is what these peptides are, and they work hand in hand with the exosomes. So this is why you're stimulating the follicle. You're understanding the phases of growth, and you want to increase senescence in some cases. You want to prune out, get rid of, clean out, remove the DHT debris. Okay? So this stuff works. Your patient typically needs to be on the laser for a period regularly, typically 2 to 3 times a week. Our in-office based technology is a lot stronger than the hair caps. They have a lot more intensity. So, the truth is I like both. I love the hair caps as well. So I encourage that. My perspective is I want the best for the patient. So if you should want the best for your patient. So you want them to do both. So I want you to be able to get comfortable thinking about what I just said. If you have to watch this video over and over again, I want you to get the vernacular vocabulary. I want you to be able to flow with it, baby. This is your time to shine. Now,